Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Hind radiyallahu anha entered the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, on the face of the earth, the disgrace of no household was dearer to me than yours. But now the prestige of no household on the face of the earth is dearer to me than yours. The Prophet ﷺ said, by him in whose possession my soul stays, this love will still increase more. Then Hind submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, undoubtedly Abu Sufyan is a miser. Will there be any sin on me if I take some of his property without his permission and expend it on his children? The Prophet ﷺ said, there is no sin on you if you expend on his progeny equitably. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4454.